Welcome to Luxoro Homes. These aren't just motorhomes. They're double-floor luxury machines. From BMW's futuristic design to Rolls-Royce's royal mansion on wheels, each one hides unbelievable luxury inside. Let's start with the first one, BMW double-floor motorhome. BMW's design takes things to another level with its three-floor layout. On the ground floor, you get a cozy bedroom with a luxurious finish, along with an attached kitchen and a stylish washroom, all built for compact yet premium living. Head upstairs to the second floor, and you'll find an open terrace space, perfect for dining or enjoying sunset views. And on the third floor, there are 4 recliner sofas, designed specially for sunbathing and open-air relaxation. The driver cockpit feels futuristic. BMW's digital control system, smooth navigation screen, and premium steering feel make driving this RV an absolute joy. Rolls-Royce Motorhome. The ground floor welcomes you with a royal lounge area, handcrafted interiors, luxury recliners, and polished wood finishes. Right next to it sits the attached kitchen, designed with elegant materials, marble countertop, chrome sink, and hidden storage. Also on the ground floor, you'll find a king-size bedroom, perfectly blended with the lounge, spacious, soft, and private. Move upstairs to the upper floor, and you'll discover a stunning recliner terrace which can slide open or close with just a touch. Perfect for open-air relaxation. The attached washroom carries Rolls-Royce elegance, rainfall shower, vanity mirror, and luxury fittings throughout. And of course, the driver cockpit feels like a private jet. Hand-stitched leather, chrome controls, and the sign, Volvo Motorhome. The ground floor of the Volvo Motorhome features a spacious lounge area furnished with soft sofas and warm lighting for that Scandinavian comfort feel. An attached kitchen sits beside it, sleek and minimal, with induction cooking and a small fridge built neatly into the cabinets. Go upstairs and you'll find a king-size bedroom with a mounted TV for entertainment, plus a calm, cozy environment for perfect rest. The washroom on this level includes a vanity mirror, rainfall shower, and clean fittings that match Volvo's luxury standards. At the front, the driver cockpit is designed for smooth handling. Ergonomic seats, wide windshield, and smart drive assist features for total comfort. Ford keeps it practical yet luxurious. On the ground floor, there's a comfortable lounge area with recliner sofas, perfect for long road trips or relaxing stops. A modern washroom is also located on this level, built for convenience and travel use. Upstairs, the king-size bedroom offers plenty of space, complete with a cozy attached kitchen, functional and elegant. And up front, the driver cockpit features Ford's advanced system with a digital dash, navigation display, and smooth driving controls, strong, solid, and dependable. Audi Motorhome. On the ground floor, you step into a beautiful lounge area, wide sofa seating, premium lighting, and a panoramic window that fills the space with natural daylight. Right beside the lounge is a stylish, attached kitchen, fully equipped with an induction stove, mini fridge, and storage cabinets built into the walls. Move upstairs and you'll find a king-size bedroom with soft lighting, elegant textures, and a small sofa for relaxation. The washroom on this floor includes a modern vanity and a rainfall shower, just like a 5-star hotel. And at the front, the driver cockpit carries Audi's signature luxury, digital display, leather steering, and full comfort control. And that's it. The top 5 insane double-floor motorhomes. Each one is a masterpiece on wheels. Which one was your favorite? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more insane motorhomes.